Hello, I'm Coach Mandy Jo, and this is Lightning Bolt / Hero Pose. So this is a pose that we are going to gradually get into. And the reason why I say gradually, because there are certain definite steps to this pose. So don't get ahead of yourself. So you can be, you're going to bring your legs apart, and maybe you're only at this stage and you're trying to, I wish I was like this. So you're trying to lean into this pose and you're trying to get down, and notice I move my feet further apart, and you're down and down, and until your butt gets all the way to the ground, you're not leaning back. So until that's when you start leaning back and you go down. In the meantime, which I have not perfected this pose yet, and I don't want to say really perfected. I don't go all the way back yet. Take block and sit down on the block. Now, if you are sitting down on the block, you are not going to be leaning back. This is where your legs are in. Maybe you got to be up on the block like this. It's okay. You're going to be feeling that stretch up through your quads. And then you'll move the block down and you're sitting down. Ooh, I can feel that stretch right there. It feels really good. So there's no perfection of these. It's different options of the same pose. So for me, this is a really good stretch without being injured. Now, very important thing, if your thumb is not on the floor, if you have not removed the block and you have not come all the way to the floor, which I'll admit, I am not there yet. I'm real close. Real close. But until my butt gets all the way to the floor, I don't lean back. So that is a really, really good stretch. And it's one that's going to take you a while to get through. These poses that we hold up for 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to be in this pose for 2 to 5 minutes. And trust me, it may look simple. I have all kinds of muscles yelling at me right now going, I can feel this. I can feel this. So, gradual steps, gradual progressions. It's a journey. It's not a sprint. This is Lightning Bolt / Hero Pose.